Street Mage, and I'm here with one of my lovely patients who she had some words of wisdom for me this morning. Keep smiling. And you're smiling a lot today.
I am. Out of pain.
Out of pain, good. So she had a piriformis muscle release done. How do you feel?
Good for morning after.
Yeah,
Good.
feel good.
Ready to go.
Can you tell if that piriformis pain is gone or is it still there?
It's gone. It's just from the pressure from the surgery, but I'm good to go.
Yeah, everybody has a little discomfort from the surgery,
I understand that.
You can tell the piriformis pain is gone.
Yes.
Congratulations. We did it with minimally invasive, 4mm little cut on the back of your hip there. And we just go in with our probe and we cut up the scar tissue that's, causing all the pain, release the muscle, and that causes the pain to go away right away. So what was life like for you before, when you still had this horrible pain?
Very restrictive. I wasn't walking. PT, wasn't even helping. And the injections, that was ongoing with Dr. Patel for a while. But I hope to get back to life.
That's it.
No pain. That's the biggest thing. That takes too much out of you. It's not a way to live.
A life in pain is not good. Or
and I was miserable. I was making everybody miserable.
Or fear of pain, by doing something to set it off.
Yeah.
Now, the pain you had in your buttock, this piriformis pain, was it constant or did it kind of get worse with certain activity?
It got worse during the day. The more you did, and you just have to back off. I did ice and heat, and Dr. Patel did the injections, and it's just some, not immediate relief, but, I got some, but no, yesterday was a good thing.
Now, you're a dog lover. Right? And you have a new puppy, you told me.
Yes, I have a little mini schnauzer, Darby. So now I can go with her. I can run and pick her up.
And that's it. Picking up is key, because when you bend over to pick something up from the ground like a little dog, it usually aggravates the pain from the piriformis in the buttock. All right, so anything else you want to share with your viewers and fans out there?
Don't let it go. Get help, come to the clinic, and enjoy life now. I really will.
Congratulations, you took the leap of faith and you got it done. Go enjoy life.
Have a glass of wine on me.
Right. Sounds good. Let's get you out of here.